Good morning, Catherine. Welcome, John, to class. Thank you, Georgia. I also missed you. Grace, you don't look well today. What is wrong? Sorry. Let us talk at the end of the lesson. I've given out the worksheets. Make sure you do the questions right now. I'm marking the register. Patrick was absent yesterday. Also absent today. What could be wrong? Yes, Caroline. Thank you for the information. I'll make sure I call the parents at the end of the lesson. That is very good. I can see we've all got the concept of food chains that we did in our last lesson. So today we are continuing with the topic ecology under the subtopic food web. And the objectives of the lesson today are, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to construct a simple food web by arranging picture cards. And the second one, demonstrate understanding of energy flow in a food web. In our last class, we were looking at food chains. Who can tell us what a food chain is? Yes, Peter? Very good. As Peter has said, a food chain is an illustration of the flow of energy from the producers to the consumers and finally to the decomposers. Catherine, according to my setting chart, you're supposed to sit close to the board. Please, can you move forward? Today, we're looking at the subtopic food web. And what is a food web? A food web is made up of many food chains. A food web is made up of many food chains. As you can see from this food web, which has been extracted from a terrestrial habitat. We have so many food chains making the food web. And an example of a food chain in this food web, starting with the vegetation, which is the producer, then the grasshopper, primary consumer, the bird, secondary consumer, the snake, tertiary consumer, and finally the eagle, quaternary consumer. Always ensure that a food chain must start with the producer, and the producer can be a grass or any organism with the chloroplast. And ensure that the arrow must always point the eater. The arrow must point to the eater. So from this food web, can someone give us two examples of primary consumers? Yes, Catherine? Very good. We have the rats and the grasshopper as a primary consumer. In our various groups, let us extract two food chains from this food web. Very good. Caroline's group, you've got it. Grace, you seem to be having a problem in your group. The food chain must start with a producer, and the arrow must always point to the eater. Can you do that correction? You've now got it right. In our food web, we have picture cards which have been fixed and others are missing. Like we have, this is missing, and this is also missing. From the picture cards before you, can someone fix for us the missing organisms? Yes, Peter? Peter has fixed the grass as the producer, the grasshopper as the primary consumer, and finally the lion feeding on the fox. So here we have a missing energy path. Who can complete for us? Yes, Catherine? Catherine has done it so good. Illustrated the missing energy path from the grass to the grasshopper, grasshopper to the bird, bird to the snake, and snake finally to the eagle. So, what is wrong, Catherine? Why are you walking around? Please let us try to practice and adhere to our class expectations that we set together as a class. Rule number 9 is stating that stay in your seat unless given permission. Grace, you still don't look well. Would you like to see the school counselor? Hello, Madam Camilla. I have a student in my class who would like to talk to you. Thank you. Grace, see the school counselor after the class. So, any question? Yes, Catherine. Apart from the grass, the other producers that we can have can include, we have the algae, we have reeds, and planktons. The lesson has been so good. In my Canvas page, find the assignment, do it, and collect it by tomorrow. Have a good day.